This is BBC News. I'm David Eads. Don't be alarmed. We're coming to you a minute earlier than usual. It's 23:59 here in London, and the countdown to the new year is underway. We're in the last minute of 2022. This is the scene in central London where 100,000 revellers are just waiting for the chimes of Big Ben, the launch of 2023, and the launch also of a massive 12-minute firework display said to be the biggest in Europe. Worth pointing out, it's the first time in 3 years that they've been able to gather in person to call in the new year and enjoy the celebration. So as that countdown ticks away, let's tune in.